To play the game of life, first, place all of the life tiles face down next to the game board. Take 4 of those tiles and place them face down at Millionaire Estates. Separate the game cards into 4 piles: career cards, salary cards, house deed cards, and stock cards, and place the piles next to the board. You should also separate the insurance policies and bank loans into 3 separate piles next to the board. Choose a player to be the banker, who is in charge of handing out money during the game, and have them give each player $10,000 to start with. Each player also starts with a car and 1 people peg. Once the game is set up, each player spins the wheel. Whoever spins the highest number goes first, and play continues clockwise. On a player's turn, they spin the wheel and move their car that number of spaces forward on the board. On the first turn of the game, players decide whether they want to immediately start a career or go to college first. Going to college gives players more career options, but it takes longer and costs money. If a player wants to go to college, they place their car on the Start College space and collect $40,000 in bank loans. If a player wants to start their career immediately, they place their car on the Start Career space and draw 1 career card and 1 salary card. If they draw a card that has a degree required on it, they must draw a different career. Players place their career and salary cards face up in front of them. When players land on orange spaces, they must follow the directions on the space. Blue spaces have optional directions. Green spaces are payday spaces. Whenever a player lands on or passes a green space, they collect their salary from the bank. Red spaces are event spaces. Players must stop at these spaces, follow the directions, and then spin and move again. If a player lands on a life space, they draw 1 life tile and keep it face down in front of them until the end of the game. There are also career spaces on the board. If a player lands on a career space, they pay the player who has the career listed on the space the amount of money specified on the space. If no player has that career, they pay the money to the bank instead. Players can purchase automobile insurance for $10,000 at the beginning of any turn, which protects their car from any accidents, damage, and theft. They can also buy homeowners insurance for the amount specified on their house deed card to protect their home from floods, tornadoes, and theft. Players are also able to buy 1 stock at the beginning of any turn for $50,000. Whenever a player spins the number listed on a stock card, the player who owns that stock card collects $10,000 from the bank. Players can only own 1 stock at a time. Players are able to take out 1 or more bank loans during their turn. Bank loans must be repaid with $5,000 in interest at the end of the game. When players reach the retire space on the board, they must stop and pay off any outstanding loans, remove their career card, salary card, insurance policies, and house deed from play, and place their car on either Millionaire Estates or Countryside Acres. Players should choose Millionaire Estates if they think they have the most money. Otherwise, they should choose Countryside Acres. Once all of the players have retired, each player at Millionaire Estates counts their money. The player with the most money gets the 4 life tiles that were placed at Millionaire Estates at the beginning of the game. Now any players at Countryside Acres count their money. Finally, all players flip over their collected life tiles and add the value of each tile to their total. The player with the most money wins the game.